My name is Jen Purdie. I teach 5th grade here. I'm really excited to be here at Island View Elementary. New school, new teachers. At the beginning of the evening, we started with the ribbon cutting. It was really cute to see the little kids being part of that ribbon cutting. After that, it was an open house where people were able to come in and meet their teacher and getting to know us. And every year you get kids that are overly excited, and this is unique in that everyone is coming and experiencing something new.
I'm super excited to go to Island View. It's really big, it makes it really fun. I'm excited to meet new teachers, new friends. I just love the school.
My name's Emily Price, and I am on the Davis School District Board of Education. This area has been exploding with growth in the last decade, and it was much needed. West Point Elementary was at 120% capacity. Now we have this beautiful building where students are going to be able to learn and achieve a lot of great things.
As Hughes, we had the privilege of teaming up with Davis School District and BCBO Architects. Some of the unique features of this elementary school is the really nice collaborative spaces that can be used by the teachers. Their classrooms can open up. This building is so flexible for however the teachers need to teach the students on a particular subject. It is awesome.
The theme for Island View Elementary is connections. It's part of our Bodies in Motion theme. Each pod has its own sub-theme, so we have connect, unite, build, and explore. Every space is a lot more inviting, it's a lot brighter. Not only is the building energy efficient, it's energy positive, meaning that it produces more energy than it uses. On the exterior of the building, we have metal panel. If you were to take blue and green and mix them together, connect them, they would make teal, right? So our colors are purple, blue, green, and teal. We hope the students of Island View Elementary love learning in this facility, and they just thrive here.
The thing I love most about teaching is helping the kids learn to be lifelong learners. I really look forward to having these kids and just to know that they can do anything that they put their mind to.